can you walk people through? Because as people actually, once they get to know you, then you go through the two-way phase. You're going to get what's called an FDD document where people are going to get a total understanding of what their potential income looks like, the earnings, claims, et cetera. And then, if that looks okay to a potential candidate, they feel comfortable with that, you feel comfortable with the candidate, then they go to what's called, a validation phase, and then what's called a discovery day. Can you talk a little bit about how that process works and how, no
Yeah.
one's really asking a candidate to make a decision from day one or even, day 20. You have a full, 2-month real process to go through and really get a full understanding of what the opportunity looks like.
Yeah. And you just mentioned three important parts of the decision-making process. The biggest mistake I see being made by either candidates and or brokers is
Yeah.
relying too much on any one of those processes. If you rely
Okay.
solely on your FDD review or solely on item 19, you're making a mistake. What you
Yeah.
really have to do is understand the whole thing. Does that work for me? Could I do well in this? Have other people done well? Because if anybody's done well, it's proof that I can as well.
Mm.
That's more important. Now, do you have to look at the FDD and understand the business and the franchise agreement and what's been made? Absolutely, but that's only one
Yeah.
part of it. Do you have to validate? Absolutely. Do you have to meet the people at the head office through a discovery day? Now, that's mostly virtual in a lot of cases, and ours is as
Okay.
well. Those are all just steps along the way. And I wouldn't
Yeah.
say any one of them is more important than the other, along with
Interesting.
all the conversations that you have with the franchisor. So ours is a
Yeah.
real combination. We'll have 4, 5, maybe even 6 conversations throughout time. The,
Okay.
the, the FDD, the validation, the discovery day. We have a webinar to review our system. They're all
Yeah.
steps. But the real folly is really putting, oh, well, if the item 19 isn't exactly what I expect, then this is no good. That's a crazy
Yeah.
way to look at it.
Yeah. No, it's just so interesting how really just this misconception where no one's selling you anything. It really is a full education process. You have 2 to 3 months where you're going to get a complete rundown of, the FDD, your income, your lifestyle, your impact. You're going to have a complete idea of what your future is going to look like. It's just a matter of, taking that action. So that's super interesting. And, say
Yep.